Week 13, Module 10, Conference Agenda Table. Go ahead and open a blank Word document, and you can start with the title. And later I'll put it in all caps, uppercase, and center it and make it larger, but for right now I'm just going to go right to the table, and that's Insert tab, Table, and it'll be 6 columns and 7 rows. 6 by 7, and they're very narrow due to the fact that the height of each is 0.18, which is the default. So if you click this will select the entire table, and I'm going to change the height to 0.6. And then I'm going to merge cells first and then fill them in. So the second row, I will merge these cells, so select them and choose Merge Cells, and then I'll skip this row right here and select these 4 merge cells, and then I will merge these, not split, merge, and the same thing here, merge, and one more, merge. And now you can start filling them in. So once you have all of the information filled in each cell, then you can work on the design layout and maybe formatting the font. So I'm going to start with the title, and I'm going to change it to all uppercase, and then probably make it larger. And if you want to, you can change the font type and center, and if you want to change the color, you can do that as well. For the first row, I'm going to change the table layout so that it's center, and then probably bold, and a little bit larger, not too large that Wednesday would go onto another line or split. And then for the times, I'm going to select all of the times, and for the layout I'll put it in align center, and then also put it in bold, and probably can make it a little bit larger, not too large so that you can't see everything there, so it stays on one line. And then the next cell, the same thing, I will go to layout and put it in the center. If you want to change the font size, the color, bold, anything you'd like. I think I put these in italic, maybe a little bit bigger, 12. And the same thing for the next row, italic and just a little larger. And then again for this row, or this cell, I would put it in the alignment center and maybe a little bit larger. And I'm going to go back here. I chose 20, so just to be consistent. Too big because I lost a row there. Change the color. And then one more. Bold, I think it was 18 we can go to, and the color, and then the last one, the layout, center, and then bold, color, and increase the size of it. And put that in bold. For this cell here, we want to put in some type of grid pattern and a diagonal X. So if you click in the cell and you were to go to table design and choose borders, you can choose diagonal once and then go back and diagonal up. So you got up and down. And then to go into the shading, I would go into borders and shading, click the shading tab, make sure it's only applied to cell, not the whole table. And then at the end of all of the different shadings of gray, the percentages, you can go down and pick anything you'd like. And if you want to, you can change the color of it. I also changed the shading color of the days of the week, so we can go in here and pick maybe a different color. And then I'll do the same thing for those rows. And then if you wanted to design anything else, you're more than welcome to. And then I'm going to center it vertically on the page. So the layout tab, page setup, under the tab layout, change the vertical alignment to center. You can go directly to borders from here and choose a border of your choice. Maybe that one. And you could also change the color of it and the size if you wanted it smaller or larger. And there you have it. Thank you.